Yo, what's up guys, Wolfy here, and welcome back to another, tutorial. It's been a long time since the last tutorial I made, and I rewritten the whole custom crafting plugin, so it's time for another tutorial. Today, I want to show you how to install the plugin. In the next video, I will go into the recipe editor to show you how the GUI works. And then the following videos will be about the item creator, how to use the custom items, and I go more into detail with each video. So at the end, I will also go into detail how to use the API so that you can use your recipes inside of plugins. But today it's only how to install the plugin. So you can download it from here. This is the main page of the plugin. Here you can see you need at least Minecraft 1.13.2. 1.13.0 is not supported. You need at least 1.13.2. And you also need the latest build. So some old builds of Spigot will not work. So you also need WolfyUtilities. It's the plugin that controls everything. So you need to download this. Just click on download and it should start any minute. So just put it in your folder right here in your plugins folder and you're done. Do the same with custom crafting. So now you have the jars in the plugins folder. Okay, now just start the server and it should load everything. Let's see some stuff happening here. It's loading. I have also installed placeholder API. Okay, so as you can see, it loaded custom crafting, the language, player stats, initiating, inventory GUIs, registering placeholder, because it detected that we have placeholder installed, and then it registered the default items and the default recipe. Now we can stop it and we can go through the stuff it created. And now let's go into custom crafting, main config. This is the main config of custom crafting. You don't need to set it to true. It would spam your console. Please don't do that. And here, this is currently, why is it still in here? This is not needed. I need to remove that out of the config. And this is also not implemented yet. So all these settings can be ignored. This is a nice feature if you want. So you can say like, okay, maybe I want /say hi when someone successfully crafts a item. I think / is not needed in this case. And denied craft could spam. So if you have many recipes, don't do that. Don't use this denied craft. It would spam the commands you put in. The autosave, this is in minutes, so every 30 minutes it saves the player data and statistics and also the workbenches in the world. they are saved in these two files. So yeah. And here you can disable recipes, but you don't need to put in here anything. You can do that in game. But this is in another video. Here you can see the language file you're currently using or have used already. And here are the recipes. There is a main folder called recipes. If you go in this, you will see a custom crafting. And for any recipes you recipe you create, there you need to type in a folder name, and this folder will be created here in this recipe folder. And inside your folder there will be items, workbenches, and maybe even furnaces. So in items, the custom items are saved, and like here I can show you, this is a normal custom item config, just item, and then here is the item. And in the workbench there are all the workbench recipes saved, and this is a normal config for the workbench. Yeah, like priority. But this is everything I will cover in another video. Like, I don't know, when this video comes out, I need to render and need to upload it. It's very bad. Yeah, as you can see, this is all that is not in-game. So here we are in-game, and there's nothing spectacular, like it's a normal world. But if we type in /cc, you can see you have different options. This is, for example, if you want to reset your GUI. This is the help, so you can see the main command is /cc, and then we have help, clear, info, and studio. If we would type in /info, you can see it's which version it is, and it's created by me. And well, you can type in /cc studio, or if you want to make it even easier, just type in /cc, just like here, /cc main command. Just type this in and it will open up the menu. And there is a help button right here, so you can click it, and now it's enabled, and it will tell you what the things do. It looks like they doesn't have a help feature, but you can see it's item creator, create, save, custom items, use them inside of your recipes. List of recipes, toggle recipes on and off. And you can figure out how to use this. It will be, I will talk about it in the next video, but this is it for today. Hope you like this tutorial. Hope you can figure out how to use this plugin. So you can write what you think about this tutorial down in the comments. Like, you can do that. Maybe not, but you can. So, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.